are going to have a productive day today. I have to do some laundry and just some general cleaning. We have to get groceries, make food. And so I thought I would just take you guys along for my weekly reset. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Dina and I've been making some lifestyle vlogs and travel content, all the above in that category. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come out with new videos every Friday. As you guys just saw, I made my coffee, I did my morning yoga. I've actually been trying to implement morning yoga into my routine. It feels so good to kind of just start my day off with something that is not technology. It's waking me up naturally rather than coffee. I think while I drink my coffee, I'm going to kind of plan out my week and the rest of this month in terms of like content and just things that I need to get done. I have an international trip coming up at the end of this month, so I just kind of want to get everything together. I feel like it's been forever though since I've vlogged in my apartment. I don't think like I've vlogged in my apartment since the end of May. We went on our trip to Tanzania and Zanzibar, so make sure you check out those vlogs. But it feels so good to be back home and to be vlogging with you guys again. Let's get on with the day. I'm going to head over to the gym and then I will probably get groceries afterwards. I think I'm gonna do some back and biceps at the gym, but honestly I want this to be a quick gym sesh because I feel like it's already 11 and I feel like I'm moving really slow this morning even though I'm getting like necessary stuff done. I will probably vlog my workout on my phone just because it's a new gym for me and I don't really know how they feel about cameras. I feel a little shy, but don't worry y'all, I got the workout for you. But also, tell me why, I don't know if anyone else agrees with this, but like occasionally I will go on some fitness Instagram pages to get some workout inspiration, like see what they're doing for leg day, see what they're doing for abs, etc. But I feel like all of the fitness people on Instagram only post leg day. Let me know if you also agree with that. Let's get going. I know I'm gonna get really hungry if I don't eat something, so I'm gonna eat this Cliff Bar nut butter bar, and I feel like I just have a million random thoughts, so I'm just gonna kind of word vomit here. So over the past 3-ish months when it comes to working out, Salah and I have not had like a steady gym membership because we've been traveling, and the gym we were going to, it wasn't making much sense to continue to go there. As you saw, I joined a new gym and I've really been enjoying it. It's not too far away from me. Also, in terms of my workouts, I feel like ever since COVID, I have not gotten back to where I was. And I know that sounds crazy. My first few years of college, I was able to like squat so much more than I can now and just generally like do more weight. And then ever since COVID and not having access to a gym and like losing a lot of muscle mass, I have not gotten back to where I was. Like when I try to go heavy, like my form isn't good, it hurts my joints, I sound like an old person. I have decided that I'm almost like gonna start, not from scratch, but like do what feels comfortable. So I've been doing like a little bit of lighter weights and just really focusing on form. Yeah, I've been wanting to get back into a really good gym routine and just like a routine in general. I feel like with all the traveling that I had been doing, I just kind of definitely fell out of a routine and feeling productive, because although I'm having like my hot girl summer and making so many memories, I just feel like the lack of, I feel like I'm saying routine so much, but the lack of routine had been really affecting me. So I'm still working on developing a good routine, but I feel like over the past few weeks I've definitely made really good progress. Let's go and get some groceries. I think I want to make some sort of beef noodle bowl and show you guys how I make one of my favorite like veggie dishes. So let's go. Okay, I thought I will do a little grocery haul for you guys. So this is the beef that I got for the beef noodles, and then I got some chicken legs for later this week. Got some berries, bananas. We've been desperately needing some pita bread. I got green onion for the noodles, cabbage, zucchini, and eggplant onion for my little veggie dish. You can always use a lemon. Peach and plum season, thank God. A little nighttime sweet treat. We've been enjoying these Chobani zero sugar yogurts. Of course, we need pepper jack cheese. I've been obsessed with salt and vinegar chips, eggs, noodles, and some more soy sauce. Alrighty, the food is ready. Here I have the eggplant, zucchini, cabbage, onion situation. And then here I have the beef and onion noodles. For the vegetable mix, my sister taught me this recipe, so shout out to her. I'm going to go enjoy this and then get some work done, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hi guys. So as you can see, there's a big pile of laundry back here. So I'm going to start folding that. It's currently around 6:30 p.m. All that's really left to do is to get this laundry folded and maybe a few other things on my to-do list. Definitely feels like the weekly reset that I needed. There's a lot of random laundry on the bed. We even have like kitchen towels, but don't worry, we don't do our like towels and stuff with our clothes. We had so many loads going that I just threw everything on the bed. Just some like random things on my mind. My lips have been so dry, guys. Like, I don't know what the issue is. And I feel like this started once I got back from Tanzania. I don't know, I stopped using anything with like fragrance, like for example, my Laneige lip mask. Still like coming back. Oh, and I was using a new sunscreen, the La Roche-Posay one, when I usually use the Ulta MD sunscreen. So I stopped using the La Roche one like probably 2 weeks ago, and I have not gotten back on Ulta because I have to reorder that. I like constantly am applying Vaseline or Aquaphor. I don't know if that's making it worse. Another thing that's on my mind is I'm in a hair funk. Obviously you guys cannot see my hair, but it just has been feeling so dry. And I oil it before each wash, and I let that sit for like a few hours, sometimes even overnight. And I do think that helps if I do it consistently for like a few months. But maybe it's just like the change of weather and all the different places I've been going. But I feel like I've been getting some breakage near my roots, which is just really annoying. I have a haircut on Wednesday that I am really looking forward to. And then in case anyone is wondering how my food turned out, it was pretty good. I am just not the best when it comes to cooking beef. I feel like it's so easy to mess up because everyone's like, oh, don't overcook it. And it's like, obviously I'm trying not to. Since I have an electric stove, it's sometimes hard for me to kind of coordinate like the level of heat versus pan size versus how much food is in the pan. If it gets overcrowded, the whole thing becomes like steamy and then things start to like become watery in the pan. I don't know if that makes sense. I was able to like salvage it. It still tastes good. Okay, guys, as you saw, we just had some dinner. My mom made us food, so that was super clutch. It is almost 9 p.m. The sun is about to set, and Salah and I are gonna go on our post-dinner walk. We've been doing this the past few weeks, and it's been really nice, but I hope you enjoyed coming along today's productive weekly reset. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!